You've learned how to identify high-yield topics, manage your time, track your progress, and adapt when life gets chaotic. Now, it's time to bring it all together. In this planning lecture, we will guide you through the step-by-step process of creating your own 4-week study plan, tailored to your specific goals, schedule, and energy levels. This is not just about finishing a course. It's about creating a system you can reuse again and again. Objectives of the lecture. By the end of this lecture, you will be able to design a personalized 4-week study schedule based on your exam type and timeline. Structure each week with clear priorities and built-in review cycles. Build a flexible plan that works with real life, not against it. Step-by-step breakdown. Step 1. Identify your target exam. Let's begin with clarity. Write down the subject or course name, the format of your exam, MCQs, essays, practical, etc., the exact exam date. Now, count backwards 4 weeks from that date. That's your planning window. Everything you do from now on should fit into this timeline. Step 2. Break down your syllabus. List out all the major units or chapters you need to cover. Next to each one, jot down 2 things. How confident do you feel about it? High, medium, or low? How likely it is to appear on the exam? High or low? Now focus on the overlap of high-yield topics where your confidence is low. These are your top priorities. Step 3. Fill in your weekly plan. For each of the 4 weeks, outline 2 to 3 main topics to study, 1 to 2 review sessions for previous material, 1 light day or catch-up day, 1 optional mock test slot. Tip: start with tougher topics early on when your energy and motivation are higher. Use the final week mostly for review and reinforcement. Step 4. Add daily details. Zoom in and plan the details of each week. Write down what will you study, when you'll study, morning or evening, and for how long. How you study: will it be reading, active recall, quizzes, or a mock test? Be realistic. It's far better to underschedule and succeed than overplan and feel constantly behind. Step 5. Set weekly checkpoints. Each week, choose a day, like Sunday, for a quick self-review. Ask yourself, did I finish most of what I planned? What needs to shift to next week? What's working well so far? Planning is not a one-time act. It's a living process that evolves with you.